Good morning, students. Hope you all might have revised all the chapters which are coming in your examination, and you all have done the revision test questions of the chapter number 1 and the chapter number 2 thoroughly and without doing any cheating. Now I am going to provide you with the questions based on the both the chapters related with the chapter number 1 and the chapter number 2. You have to solve the questions related with both the chapters. So as I have told you already that without doing any revision, don't attempt this revision test questions. After learning the chapters thoroughly, all the things which are related with the or which are the relevant things which are related with the chapters, you have to learn all those things. After that only you are going to attempt this revision test questions. So in this revision test also, which is based on the chapter number 1 and 2, in this also you have to learn thoroughly both the chapters. After that only you are going to attempt this in your classwork copy. So let's start with the questions here. The first one here it is A. Choose the correct answer. What you have to do in this, here some of the options are given to the questions. From that options you have to choose any one which is appropriate answer. So here options are given from that only, not other options related with that. The options which are given in this questions relevant with that only you have to tick there and you have to write the correct answer in the blank. So here it is the first question. Dash use computers in maintaining accounts. Where we use the computers for maintaining the accounts of different persons. So the options are here given. The A, that is the airports, B, banks, C, hotels. So you have to take the appropriate answer from these options and you will write down here the correct answer. Second, it is asking computer parts are dash for environment. The parts which are it can be parts like computer parts, keyboard, it can be parts of the keyboard, or it can be CPU or any other parts which are related with the computer that is harmful or useful or the useless for the environment. You have to write here the correct answer. Here as it is given here options: harmful, B, it is useful, C, it is useless. So the parts are what it defines the environment or what it acts for the environment. The parts you have to write it down here in this blank. Third number it is here, at schools computers are used for. Schools में computers जो हैं वो किस काम के लिए use किया जाता है, for what purpose the schools are using the computers, you have to write down here in this blank. Options are A, teaching, B, printing results, C, all of these. So any answer which is appropriate or the suitable answers for the questions you will write down here in this blank. Now we are going to move on to the fill in the blanks. First one, dash use computers to write and print letters and documents. कौन use करता है computers का for writing and printing the letters and documents? Second number, hospitals use computers to diagnose the. Hospitals are using the computers for diagnosing what? You have to mention here in this blank. Third number, we can store instructions in a computer as a. जो instructions हम लोग store करते हैं वो किस तरीके से हम लोग किस form में computer में store करते हैं, that you have to write down in this blank. Fourth number in this, data and instructions are entered in the computer. This is called. That means you have to write here what we call data and instructions in computer. Data और instructions को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? So you will write it down here in this blank. Now we are going to move on to the true and false. As you all know, if the statement is correct or if it is right, you have to write true. For true you will write T. If the statement is wrong or if the statement is not correct, if it is false, then you will write F. For true you will write T. For false you will write F. So the first question in this, computers need human care to work well. That computers are required the human care to work well. That means without human care the computers won't be working properly. Second it is, डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर इनपुट टू कंप्यूटर्स. जो डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं, इट एक्ट्स एज एन इनपुट टू द कंप्यूटर्स. इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स, यू विल मेंशन इन दिस बॉक्स. थर्ड इट इज कंप्यूटर्स कैन वर्क फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड. जो कंप्यूटर्स हैं बहुत ही लंबे समय के लिए काम कर सकते हैं, और दैट ऑल्सो विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड, बिना थके हुए. सो यू विल राइट द करेक्ट आंसर इन दिस प्लान. Fourth number it is computers are used all over the world. That means the computers are not used in a specific place, but it is used all over the world. So here this statement is correct or wrong, you will mention it here in this box. Next we are going to move on to the question and answer. Answer the following questions. The first one here in this is write any two limitations of computers. You have to write any two limitations of computers. Second one, for what purpose computers are used in banks. Banks में computers किस लिए use किया जाता है. Third one, what is input. Input हम किसे कहते हैं. Fourth number it is mention any two uses of computers in railway stations. रेलवे स्टेशन में आपको बताने कि कंप्यूटर्स किस काम के लिए यूज किया जाता है, एंड दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट एनी टू यूजेस रिलेटेड विद द कंप्यूटर्स इन रेलवे स्टेशन. फिफ्थ इट इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आउटपुट. आउटपुट हम किसे कहते हैं. As you all know what is input, if you are knowing what is input, then you can write properly the answer what do you mean by output also. So write it after learning the both the chapters thoroughly, and after learning these chapters you will attempt this revision test questions, and all the best for your examination. Thank you. That's all for today.